is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Get Real Vlogs, where being controversial is my only talent. Today, for the first time, I'm exploring in Amsterdam, New York. This is where my mom grew up. This is where I was born, and I have not been here since I left to go to Virginia. So we already have my Crocs, my slides over here. Thank you for whoever left them for me. And we also have Upstate Urbexing behind the camera right now. You'll see him throughout the video. He's actually giving me the grand tour of this place. So let's get started. Here we go. Today, for the first time, I'm filming in Amsterdam, New York. Never have filmed here before, but fun fact, my mother actually grew up in Amsterdam and went to Amsterdam High School. I don't remember it enough I was 2 years old when we moved, but I don't know how nice it was back then, if it was ever nice, but now Amsterdam is really run down, kind of scary. It seems like where we're going to over here is in a decent part of town, but there's not really a decent part of town in Amsterdam, but I think we're going to be safe. This is going to be a lot of fun. I cannot wait to explore this place. It's a pretty big place.
Actual founds, but it's part of a larger mill complex that's been here for a long time.
Holy cow.
Basically put Amsterdam on the map.
Really? Okay guys, time to go in. We have entered the premises. Now we're going to take the time to explore this massive, I believe it was a glove factory from what I read. Entering a little warehouse area. We're going to go check out this textile machine over here. Alright guys, so what I've learned is I need to invest in a very nice camera or in a nice flashlight because mine sucks. So this is an old textile machine. We're going to go up close and personal. I know nothing about stuff like this, guys, so I hope some of you enjoy looking at this. Because this is, I guess you could call it historical right here. Just how massive this place is.
I said make sure you bring some boots or something.
I know, I should have brought boots. Guys, look. But that's okay, because I'm going to have fun anyways. Back in Virginia, my friend Brandon would always complain about me wearing flops, and then my buddy JJ. But here, you know, now my buddies are complaining about me not wearing boots, and I have to start listening to these people. Here we go. This place, if we were to explore it way through, one, it would be impossible because I'm sure half of this place is collapsing. Two, if it wasn't collapsing and we did explore the whole thing, we'd be here all day. There's just so much to explore. On to the insides. And there's glass and ice. Hopefully I don't slip or cut myself. This does kind of remind me of the mall staircase.
Yeah.
Here's Bill. Onto one of the first floors. Well, not one of the first floors, but one of the first to be on. These floors look horrible.
Not the best.
But so far, ooh, maybe not. Oh, look at this. Ooh, 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 okay. Ooh. If I can zoom in on that. That's awesome. Keep it clean, guys. Keep this area clean. Bring me around, but he'll be in the intro, which I haven't filmed yet. But guys, yeah, this room right here smells like chemicals still. Not very strong. I don't know how to explain the smell. I don't know what kind of chemicals they used here. Also, Nate, if you're watching this right now, I know you would have told me before I came in, where's your mask, guys? Don't worry. Upstate Urbexing has some masks for us. I did not bring one. That's on me. So, I thought I'd take a journey to see a waterfall today too, guys. So, I don't know if you can even see it on camera. Here's my waterfall, coming straight from the ceiling. It's a long way down, folks. Yeah, this feels 10 times safer.
Yeah. So this building that we're basically walking into is where they tried to do renovations.
Really?
Yeah, like try to build offices or something. That's the powerhouse. That's that building.
Oh, sick. Beautiful day, too.
Mm-hmm. Fabrics, linens.
Haunted linens. Haunted Bud Light.
I can see the collapsed portion from over here as well.
Oh, wow. Let's go. Let's get a soda while we're here. If you guys have ever been a skater, it's a quarter pipe. It looks like it, at least. I don't know what it's doing in here.
Mini ones you would hang up.
Yeah. Back in the day, guys, when I was a kid, this meant serious business on the weekends with sleepovers with friends. Time to clock in, guys.
I think just storage maybe.
So Upstate Urbexing just told me that these are technically active, an active part of the factory. We're not sure exactly what they're used for, but they are in use. And it's right next to us where we're exploring this dump. More sketchy stairs that lead to somewhere. Now this is cool. There's one more dare, this ladder, but this ladder has a lot of things that could go wrong. One, the thing that would probably happen the most out of all the options is me being my clumsy self, falling down this hole. Two, me climbing and somehow falling or breaking, knowing my luck. Though I haven't had anything go wrong since I've done stuff like that, but I don't want today to be the first day. Or option three, it goes fine and it makes a really good part of my video, but some things in videos are not worth risking your entire life doing. So today we will not be doing that, maybe some other day. I see the floor. Here we go. Woo. Wow. Just enjoying this look is crazy. Woo! We don't know what these liquids are, but they're most likely haunted liquids. Whatever these machines were used for, we don't know. Oh, it just keeps going up.
Yeah.
Right.
Extra sketch.
Yeah, guys. I made it to the roof, like we always try to do when we go to these places.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this view. Guys, I'm always one to climb to these places and do dares, but for the first time, I almost told Upstate Urbexing I can't do it. My legs started to shake, I started to get vertigo. I don't know what it is today. I don't know what, but like, I was just sketched, but I'm glad I did it. Because here I am, looking over Amsterdam with JB here, and a memory I won't forget. On the roof again, boys and girls. And there's Amsterdam all the way over there. So once again, guys, thank you for watching another episode of Get Real Vlogs. This was awesome. Big shout out to Upstate Urbexing for showing me this place. Go check out his video. He's been here a couple times. This was actually really cool. I didn't think it'd be this big, but it's massive. I hope you guys enjoy it, and come check it out if you want. Peace out, guys.